Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are healthy and fine. So we have already discussed 5 chapters. So today we will start 6th chapter. Name of this chapter is secondary activities. In last chapter we have discussed about primary activities. Primary activities we have discussed the things which we are getting from the earth directly. We are using raw material, that is called primary activities. Secondary activities, raw materials convert into valuable goods. It means when we are getting the raw material, we will convert into some other valuable goods. So that activity is called secondary activities. Secondary activities add value by transforming raw material into valuable products. Same thing I have told you. Secondary activities add value. It means the raw material which we are getting, it is adding the value and transform the raw material. Transform means changing. It will change the raw material into valuable products. Change into valuable products. Second is given, secondary activities are concerned with manufacturing, processing and construction activities. What is said in this? In secondary activities, what we are doing? We are doing manufacturing. Manufacturing means we are converting the raw material into some other products. Then process. How these all things happen? When we are doing some process, some work we are doing. And construction activities, like we are using some construction activity like cement, limestone. These are example of construction activities. Characteristics, it means the features of manufacturing industries are application of power. It means what we are doing in manufacturing industries, we are using the power to convert the valuable products into other things. Mass production of identical products. In manufacturing industries, what we are doing mass production in large amount. It means we are using the raw material and then we will convert into a large amount. And specialized labor for production of commodities. Commodities mean goods. You can call them goods या वस्तुएं कहते हैं इनको. So it has required specialized labors. You know very well it is not done by a common man. It has required some specified labor. For example, you know very well in Maruti industries and some other industries, some specialized workers they are doing work and they can do that work. Remaining people they can't do. So specialized labor is required for this production of goods. Then it can be done with the primitive means. Primitive means the work which is done from the hands, that is also the part of manufacturing industries. Handloom industries, जो हाथ से काम होता है वो भी किसका एग्जांपल है? वो भी इसी का मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का है, क्योंकि उसमें भी हम क्या कर रहे हैं, रॉ मटेरियल को कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं किसी के अंदर. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रिमिटिव मीन्स और बाय एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजीज. अदरवाइज व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, फॉर एग्जांपल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज व्हीकल की है या और किसी चीज़ की है, तो उसके अंदर हम क्या करते हैं, एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी का भी यूज़ करते हैं. एंड वी आर यूजिंग हैंड मटेरियल ऑल्सो. कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सिस्टम ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. और इससे क्या होता है, एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी से हम इन चीज़ों को कन्वर्ट करते हैं वैल्यूएबल गुड्स के अंदर. एम्फेसिस इज गिवन टू इंडस्ट्रियल एक्टिविटीज. एम्फेसिस मीन्स किसी चीज़ के ऊपर फोर्स करना, किसी चीज़ को यूज करना ज़्यादा. इंडस्ट्रियल एक्टिविटीज होती है इसके अंदर मेनली. इन secondary activities, main activities industrial activities which involves less complicated system of production. It means it is not so much complicated, ज़्यादा difficult नहीं होती है. इसमें क्या होता है, प्रोडक्शन आपका होता है लार्ज अमाउंट में, पर ये ज़्यादा